Hey dolls, it's Lulu. I am here to give you guys a quick tutorial on how to use Iconic London's brand new Tint and Texture Brow Defining Gel. I have nothing on my brows right now. They're looking so crazy, so unruly. Let's get right into it. Just showing you guys a quick before shot of my brows, and then I am going in with that Tint and Texture Gel. It really does just grip every single hair. The small brush makes application so neat, there is no smudging, and it really does just make your brows look so much fuller. Okay, can we just take a moment to appreciate that before and after? So natural, so fluffy. Now I'm just going in on the other side and really just using really precise brush-like strokes. It seriously makes your brows look so much fuller while adding that gorgeous tint. Just one product makes your brow game unreal.